Hi there, welcome to the next video in this compression series. This one is going to show you a few things. I'm going to show you group compression and a couple of little nice touches that you can add to that to make your drums sound great. So create a group track, make it a stereo group track, and we'll just call that drums. We then need to route everything to the group. So in Cubase, that's simply done by going group drums on each of these. Okay, so as you can see, they're all going to the drum group now. So what we want to do on the drum group is a couple of things. We want to maybe use this opportunity to maybe tame some of the peaks that are coming through, but also we want to use the group track to glue the drums together, just to make them that little bit tighter and more comfortable. So, in matter of fact, we're going to need two compressors. So, we've added one compressor. This is the first compressor, and this compressor is just going to be used to catch the peaks. So, we'll pop the threshold right up, bring it down a bit. We want a fast attack because we want to catch the peaks here. And we'll put quite a fierce ratio in. Now let's see what that's doing. As you can see there, it's just catching the peaks and no more. We don't really want that much gain reduction. Maybe add a little bit more threshold, just to, as you can see, the more threshold, the more of the peaks we're taking away. But we don't really want to take too much of the peaks away. Just want to keep them under control. Yeah, I think that'll do, and we'll just add in, we can just leave it on auto makeup gain there, or output level. In fact, we'll turn that off because it does make it a little bit too loud. Yeah, that's not bad at that. So the first compressor on the group is now controlling the peaks. We're going to add another compressor, and this compressor is going to be used as the glue. And by that I mean we're just going to use this to squash these drums together a bit. Not really squashing them, just as I said, glue, gelling them together, just to make them a little bit cozier with each other, a bit tighter, if you will. So for this second compressor, everything's slow. We don't want to be using it to control peaks or anything. That's what the first one's for. This one is just to really give the sounds a kind of soft gel together. So we want a relatively slow ratio. Let's pop it to 2:1, I guess. And a softney threshold. We'll just pop that to there. A slow attack, maybe even as much as 60 or 70 milliseconds. And a slow release. Right, so let's check it out. Okay, I would say for our purposes we want a soft knee as well on this one. That's too much. We're hammering it too much. We don't really want that kind of compression, so we'll bring the threshold back down. Just watch your release settings, just again trying to get it in time with the pumping with the music. And you only need 2 or 3 decibels worth of gain reduction here really. We're just looking to tighten them up. We're not over compressing anything here, we'll just tighten them all up together. So, let's hear what it sounds like without the compression on the group bus. Yeah, you can hear they've definitely been tightened up, just tidied up as well, really. Group bus is starting to get a little bit hot as well, so you could maybe just drop that down a couple of decibels. Or what you could do is leave your group bus and remix your drums in. Or if you're happy with the mixing your drums in Cubase, you can just select all the channels, right click, link channels, just bring them all down like that. Oops, I should have unlinked that channel. Link channels, put that back up, and then just bring them up slowly. And as you can see, the compression's changed here a little bit because of the I think we're actually sending in less signal. So we can just go in and really readjust that to get what we're looking for. Probably the same in the first one as well. Yeah, you can see there's a huge difference in this one. So yeah, just taming those peaks with the first one, remember. That's probably enough. So, that's how to do your group compression. Also, something I forgot to mention, on this second one, the reason we're being pretty subtle, like with the long attack and the long release, is if you're not, you'll get a pumping effect. We don't really want that for the purposes of this. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next video.